Hey everyone, Kevin here from Epic Gardening. Today we're growing potatoes right at home, no backyard required. Imagine reaching into a simple fabric bag on your patio and pulling out fresh, homegrown potatoes. It's easier than you think. All you need is a bag, some soil, and sunshine. This method is perfect for beginners and anyone with limited space. Growing your own food is rewarding, and nothing beats the taste of a potato you grew yourself. No chemicals, no long transport, just pure, delicious food. The bag method brings potato growing to apartments, balconies, and city dwellers. We'll break down every step, from starting your plants to harvesting your own spuds. It's less work than you think, and a fun project for the whole family. Kids especially love digging for the buried treasure at harvest time. We'll cover picking the right bag, caring for your plants, and knowing when to harvest. You don't need a big garden, just a little space and some enthusiasm. Ready to start your own potato factory in a bag? Let's dive in and grow an amazing crop of potatoes no matter where you live. Stick around for a step-by-step guide and pro tips. Grab your bag and let's get started. This is going to be an epic gardening adventure. Why choose a bag for potatoes? Simple space and control. Even with just a balcony or patio, you can grow a big harvest. Grow bags fit anywhere the sun shines. No garden bed needed. You control the soil, so your potatoes get the perfect, pest-free home. No digging, no tilling, no heavy labor, just fill the bag and plant. Harvesting is easy. Tip the bag over and collect your spuds. No tools required. Bags are portable, so you can move them to chase the sun or avoid storms. This flexibility means healthier, more productive plants. Anyone can do it, even with limited mobility or space. The bag method opens up gardening to everyone. You get a clean, easy, and fun way to grow food. Plus, you can maximize sunlight all season long. It's a game changer for urban gardeners. Let's see what you'll need to get started. Let's gather your supplies. First, grab a sturdy fabric grow bag. 10 gallons or bigger is best. The fabric lets roots breathe and prevents soggy soil. You'll need a light, fluffy soil mix, half potting mix, half compost. Add perlite or coco coir for extra drainage. Don't use heavy garden dirt. It compacts and stunts growth. Next, get certified seed potatoes from a garden center. Grocery store potatoes are often treated to prevent sprouting. 3 to 5 seed potatoes are enough for a 10-gallon bag. Find a sunny spot, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Have a watering can or hose ready. That's it. A bag, soil, seed potatoes, sun, and water. Simple setup, big rewards. Now let's plant. Time to plant. Roll down your grow bag to 1/3 height and fill with 4 to 6 inches of soil mix. Place your seed potatoes on top, eyes up, spaced evenly. Cover with 3 to 4 more inches of soil. Water gently to settle the soil. As plants grow to 8 inches tall, add more soil. This is called hilling. Unroll the bag and bury half the stems, leaving leaves exposed. Repeat hilling every few weeks until the bag is full. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially in hot weather. Check with your finger. If the top inch is dry, water thoroughly. Sun, water, and hilling are the keys to a big harvest. Watch your plants thrive and tubers form beneath the soil. It's simple, hands-on, and fun. Next up, harvest time. Harvest time. When the foliage turns yellow and dies back, stop watering. Let the soil dry for 1 to 2 weeks. This toughens the potato skins for storage. Dump the bag onto a tarp and sift through the soil for your homegrown spuds. Be gentle to avoid bruising. Brush off dirt and cure potatoes in a cool, dark, ventilated spot for a week or 2. Store cured potatoes in a cool, dark place, never the fridge. Enjoy your harvest roasted, mashed, or fried. For next year, rotate crops, even in bags, to prevent disease. Save some small potatoes as seed for the next season. Growing potatoes in bags is easy, productive, and delicious. Anyone can do it. Give it a try. Happy gardening.